Hello, everyone. My name is Haijie Xu, and my co-author is Haoran Wu. Our advisor is Professor Alam, and here's our research project. It is energy security risks and firm value. Does political connectivity matter? And now here's our first part, is motivation. Our motivation for energy security risk and firm value come from uncertainty in energy markets can lead to suboptimal capital investment decisions and increased risk management costs, ultimately eroding firm value. Energy security risks influence firm value. Political connection and firm value. Politically connected firms experience significant increases in value. Research demonstrated the potential benefits of political ties to firms' value. And here's the motivation for energy security risk, firm value, and political connection. The existing literature has documented a negative relationship between energy security risk and firm value. What we're curious about is whether political connectivity can help firms maintain a steady market value amidst a high energy security risk. The relationship between political connectivity, energy security risks, and firm value has been little studied so far. We predicted that the political connection may mitigate the value erosion stemming from energy insecurity, as investors often perceive politically affiliated firms to be insured against such adverse macroeconomic phenomena. And is our hypothesis for the project. We hypothesize that energy security risk is negatively associated with firm value in the US energy sector. And hypothesis two is political connectivity mitigates this negative effect. And now I will introduce my co-author Haoran Wu to give us the result and the table for our research.
For the research data, we collect energy security data from the website of Global Energy Institute of the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. A higher index score indicates a higher level of energy insecurity. Firm-level accounting variables have been collected from the CompuStat database of U.S. publicly traded companies. Political expenditure data is collected from the Campaign Finance database of the Federal Election Commissions that has been made available publicly by the Center for Responsive Politics. Merging this data set yield a final sample of 320 firms from the U.S. energy sector over a period from 1996 to 2018. This is our regression model. To measure the empirical association between energy security risk and the firm value, we exploit a multivariate fixed effect regression model. The equation 1 is our baseline regression model. Firm value is measured by the market-to-book ratio of a firm I in year t plus 1. Then ESR is natural logarithm of energy security risk index in year t. Since ESR is a time series variable, we did not include the year fixed effect in our model. However, we have incorporated year trend variables to control any effect on time trend on firm value. We also include firm and state fixed effect in our models. To investigate the moderating role of political connectivity, we use equation 2 and 3. We use separate variables DPAC and DLOB, a proxy for political connections. DPAC is a dummy variable that is equals to 1 if a firm has a political action commitment campaign contribution in year, and zero otherwise. Similarly, DLOB is a dummy variable that is equals to 1 if a firm has lobbying expenditure in a year, and zero otherwise. Next, to measure political expenditure, we use two separate variables, PAC and LOB. PAC is a natural logarithm of PAC campaign contribution of firm I in year T. LOB is a natural logarithm of political lobbying expenditure of firm I in year T. In Model 2 and 3, the estimated coefficient on the interaction term will be our point of interest. Both specifications include time trend variables and firm and state fixed effect. This table shows our baseline regression result. The coefficient of learn ESR is negatively and significantly, which suggests that energy security risk impedes the firm value. To be more clearly show our result, we want to repeat control variable after this page. In this table, we include the interaction term in our model. The coefficient on the interaction term is positive and significant, reveals political connection helps mitigate the effect. That means firms that spend more at political contribution are perceived as more valuable. We also do some robustness test. From this table, PSM regression confirms the robustness of our findings. This table shows the small and medium-sized firms are mainly vulnerable to energy insecurity. And this table shows the value erosion is significant for firms with pre-existing high value. So here comes to our conclusion. Energy security risk impedes firm value. Small and medium-sized firms are vulnerable to energy insecurity. The value erosion is significant for firms with pre-existing high value. Political connectivity helps mitigate the effect. Firms with larger political capital are perceived as more valuable. Thanks so much.